Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a Shein haul and a Zara haul. The first item from Shein I bought was these white square toe sandals. They're like this. They have a perspex strap and a tweed toe strap. And they have a little block heel. These will be good to wear with jeans or skirt in the summertime. The next pair of shoes are these pink fluffy square toe block heels. These will make a casual outfit look more put together. These are probably my favourite. The last pair of shoes are these sandals. They remind me of the tan ones from Zara, but these are prettier because they're in pink. They're good for a casual day at the beach or with a dress on holiday. The last piece of accessories I bought was this wicker bag with tan straps and detailing. The inside is really pretty. It's got a strawberry detailing. The first piece of clothing is a tweed lilac set. It has a little crop top with diamond buttons and then matching shorts. These are really pretty. This is probably my favourite out of the whole haul. The next item is this dress. It really fits the cottagecore aesthetic. It's just a mini dress and it has cute little bow detailing. And then it ruches in at the waist and it has a pretty floral pattern. I bought these high-waisted paper bag trousers. They are straight leg, so they're not very skinny at the bottom. They're quite wide. This is in like a creamy colour. Finally, from Shein, I bought this top. It's got puff sleeves and buttoning down the centre. This is quite Renaissance themed, but it would look great in summer on a cooler day, but still quite warm as it's very lightweight. From Zara I bought this white high-waisted bodysuit. This would look great with skirts or shorts or even jeans, and this will look good under blazers. This is just a basic. This is my favourite piece from Zara. It's a spotty puff sleeve dress with ruching. And then right at the bottom it has ruffles. This would look good on for dinner or a casual night out, or even on holiday, or in a day you could dress this down with trainers or sandals. I found this turtleneck in the sale and it's perfect for autumn time or even Christmas, as it's sparkly, it's black and it's got diamonds. It's ribbed, so it's quite thick, so it's definitely going to keep you warm. That's it for my haul. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye!